how to reorder or rearrange Samsung Music tabs on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the music app. Next, tap on the more button, then tap on settings. In Samsung Music settings, we scroll down and then tap on manage tabs. In here, to rearrange the tabs, simply touch and hold on one of the items and then drag it to a new position and let go. So here I can move folders to the top and let go. And that's it. That is how you can rearrange or reorder your Samsung Music tabs. Now after that, tap on the back key to go back to your music folders or the Samsung Music homepage, and you can see all the tabs has now been rearranged according to your selection. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.